Vollstart Appointment Desk, online booking, walk-in queue, and reception cockpit. In one WordPress plugin. Let me show you how it works. This is what your customers see. They pick a service, choose a date, and select a time slot. The layout shows everything side by side: services, calendar, and form. When a customer selects a slot, it is held for them while they fill out the form. No one else can book the same time. That is how we prevent double bookings. After booking, the customer sees a confirmation with all the details. They also receive an email with a calendar file attached. In the admin, you see all appointments in a calendar: day view, week view. Filter by calendar, team, or staff member. Export to CSV or print anytime. Click any appointment to see the details. Confirm, reschedule, cancel, or check in the customer, all from one place. Not every customer books online. For walk-ins, there is the queue system. Customers tap a button or scan a QR code to get a number. The TV display shows who is being served and who is next. Put this on a screen in your waiting room, updates in real time. The reception cockpit brings it all together. Today's appointments on the left, the walk-in queue on the right. Your staff uses this page directly. No WordPress login needed. Just share a link. It is that simple to manage your desk. Every booking creates a customer record automatically. Search, filter, and see the full appointment history. Each customer has a profile with contact info, all past appointments, and their average rating. GDPR tools let you export or delete their data with one click. Emails are sent automatically: confirmation, cancellation, reschedule, reminders. Each one includes a calendar file. Configure which emails to send in the settings. Vollstart Appointment Desk, free on WordPress.org. Install it, set your hours, and start booking today.